Right. Halloween video as promised. Connected to a server. But let's try and start a local game. And perhaps you noticed that we now have a qvprogs.dll that was downloaded on Connect. So this is what happens, and this opens up to completely owning the computer that connected to the server. And it's done in a kind of a weird way. So let's start a new server here and see what's going on at Connect. So the first thing that starts on Connect is a number of stuff texts, which sets up aliases for various maps. And those maps are, it's just thrown into the context of the Quake client. So Spike mentioned that he found a way to just send a download to ezQuake. And for demo effect, I thought it would be fun to just have it very automatically working with a normal server. So turns out that you can just insert a semicolon in the file name, and KTX will index all the maps and create aliases for them in the client. And in this case, in project test A, I have a file name called semicolon name Bobby tables semicolon wait.bsp. So let's try and start that one. And look at that. Player changed their name to Bobby Tables. So any server can execute any command in the client, and that's, I guess, by design, which is perhaps a bit weird when it comes to variables, which brings us to test B. Let's swap back the name. Now the name is PW is and nothing more. So let's disconnect. Proper name, proper password. Oh, Archon password leaked. And that's just how the game works. So that brings us to the final part. I can show you the map name for that one. So yeah, the map name just includes $Archon password. And the final map name is then, of course, download qvprogs.dll. And as it's evaluated on Connect, the client downloads the file. As we've already downloaded it, I will just delete it first. So here you can see the download there. I'm on Wi-Fi, so it's kind of slow. If you're on a decently speedy connection, it's you will not notice it. And once QProx is downloaded, creating a new game will launch the code. And the code is pretty easy to adjust to whatever you wish to do. So yeah, maybe skip the music there. In Gmain, in the KTX project, there's an entry point called vmmain, which is called when KTX launches. And here I added just a shell execute that tells Windows to open this YouTube link, which is this amazing song. So here you can put whatever code you want. You could put Lua JIT that downloads arbitrary payloads from some nice server, or you could start exploring what other kind of services are available on the network and if they're vulnerable. So this is a horrible bug. So please upgrade.